the index actually from the start, it popped up a little bit and then stuck all the way down. I think because mostly of the QR, like Netflix, all those things that are posted in the group, it's a earning release. So they have dropped significantly, but all the way to 2 a.m. to 3 a.m., it bounced all the way up back to the place. So it's you can say that it's a green day for US instead of a red day. So maybe we can expect some volatility in Malaysia, maybe some good stocks, but I don't think it will be like yesterday. So what I'm looking at is actually the same, the IPO stocks, ECMO, LGMS, Synergen, SFP Tech, UMC. So these five are usually the five most active and the five most fastest stock to trade. I mentioned before, like at yesterday, SFP Tech, he's stuck at around 150, 15, and then suddenly it popped up very fast, around 7 to 8 cents of profit right there. So for my watch list, what I would watch is like say again 5 IPO. Maybe glove stocks. I think glove stocks will go into a correction today. I hope it will go in correction today, because if he pumps up that quick, that fast like that, it mostly means that it's pump and dump and it's game over. So if it's I really hope it's going into a correction and then sideways for a few days, maybe rest at SMA 5. For example, this one here, I'm taking K plus as an example. I really hope that it really rests at around here, around this area. So around above 30 cents, but around 35 to 38 cents. So it's the best that if it stays above here, not to drop back down, because if it drop back down, many people won't believe it again. So it will continue to drop and another downtrend. So in order for it to go uptrend, I would want to see it stand above these three lines. Let me clear this. I would really like to see it stands above this three line, EMS 60, 20, and SMA 5. So what I expecting for the best is it stands above 35 cents to around 37, 38 cents, this area. If you're able to stand here and then maybe sideways for 2 to 3 days, it might go again like here. Which I said I'm expecting what it would do when it sideways right here around for 1 to 2 weeks and then continue to push it up. So I'm still waiting for these two push up again. Yeah, I certainly hope it's not today or this week, because it definitely needs some time to churn and rest for a while. If it straight away goes up like that, even I don't dare to chase, because it's too risky for me. So this is my outlook for gloves. I think most of you guys are looking at it. Okay, so the next one, which is Avantech. Okay, this Avantech, what I'm looking at is a breakout at 52 cents. Okay. 52 cents. So from the market depth, you can see that actually 51 cents yesterday, he's looking at 51 cents. So 0.51 from the market depths. And 0.52 is the day trading, it's the day charts resistance. So 0.51 and 0.52 is the resistance that we're looking out at. And the support that we're looking at from the market depths is 0.48, which is yesterday resistance turn support, and then possibly 0.5, which yesterday just broke up from 0.5 towards the end. I hope that it's able to support above it. So this two is the support price that I'm looking at, and this two is the resistance that I'm looking at. So I think I have written my plan. I think I've given my plan inside in the group chat. I'm not sure if any of you guys have saw it, because I think I did a reply only, not a post. So let me repeat again what I'm looking at. It's I'm actually getting in at looking for a possible sweet entry at around 49 to 0.495. Reason is that I can take 48 cents as my support. That's why if it reaches 48 cents, I will be able to cut loss around 2 to 3 bits maximum. And then I was I think that I was betting on to I wanted for breaking 52 cents and then possibly reach this area, 58 cents, 55 to 58 cents. So break up, maybe here a little bit and then goes up. So this is what my expectation is. And I certainly will look at the market depths first instead of just simply hoping. So it's a live case. Yeah. So look out for these prices for the support and resistance. It's really a mixed signal for Sunview. It's weak. In the meantime, it's strong. So I'm still going to let it play out first. If it's able to stand above 50 cents, then I will only see. Maybe, yeah, I think I will wait for it first, not to rush in anything, because it's still quite a mixed signal for me to read on the market depths, because yesterday it turns too slowly. It's not like the usual pump. It's not like the usual momentum. So maybe okay, my first scenario is if it's able to stand strong above 50 cents, then I would monitor it and consider it. I mean, I'm still considering it even if it drops below 40 cents or 45 cents, which I'm expecting it to drop. Maybe this is the resistance. It's too less of an information for me to analyze it technically. So what I'm hoping is maybe it goes like this, and then drop again. Maybe a head and shoulder or something, some shape more decent or obvious for me to enter. So right now, my main scenario is above 50 cents. If it's not above 50 cents, I must see around 46 cents right here for a rebound, for a double bottom rebound, possibly. Yeah. So right now, Sunview is it's not like I don't want to watch Sunview. It's because I don't have the confidence, because this stock is new. I still don't know how the syndicate play this game. So I wanted to be more safe and more defensive on Sunview. Get some stocks, possible stocks. Oh, I want tech. It's good that it kept up a little bit, but not that much. So the other one is Syscorp, but I mentioned it quite some days before, on Monday maybe. So right now to chase, it's a bit quite late. But for day trading, yes, you can do it because it's going to break out soon. So still continue to monitor Syscorp. Yes, I'm hoping it could break out and reach around here. Here is the breakout line. I hope it breaks out and reach around here, because the volume is coming in already. When Monday I said the volume is still lacking, but currently it's increasing, and possibly a breakout has a larger volume, maybe a volume like this one, and push it up to above 80 cents and stand strong above 80 cents. But here at 87 cents, 88 and 88 cents, you need to be mindful and be careful of double top. Okay, so let's go to more ranking and theoretical most active, which what I would usually do every morning to look at some possible gap up stocks. Okay, so let's look at some comments first. So Michelle, any possibilities for Cosmos to fly? Yes, actually, yesterday I did not expect the Cosmos will be as strong as the rest of IPO stocks because it's still like a secondary IPO stocks in my mind. So it's actually really, really strong somehow. The first resistance you need to look at is around 50 cents. 50 cents, yeah, this 50 cents. It broke above 0.475 like tofu. So what you need to look at is, okay, right here. So 0.47, I'm not sure, I've forgotten where's your entry at, but let's take 47 cents as our support again. If it drops below 46 cents would be the last support you're looking at in order to cut loss. So 47 and 46 cents is the last support that you want to take to not get stuck again. So the resistance is at around 50 cents. It's around right here. It's around this area. This area. If 50 cents is able to break out, so it can easily reach 53 cents, break out right here and then go right here, or instantly go up right here. So if it breaks down here, you need to be careful. If the rest of the IPO, for example, like UMC, ECMO, SFP Tech continues to fly up, Cosmos also have a higher possibility to continue to fly up and reaches 50 cents this morning. Has a higher possibility, not 100%, but you need to look at the sentiment first. But I think it has a higher chance to do so because US side did not sell down yesterday. So today might be a good day for Malaysia, and I hope it's a good day for Malaysia. Okay, it's 8:56. I'm going through. Okay, still haven't gone through all of the stocks yet, so I'm going to go through a quick one. Let me look at it first. What's CN Asia doing? Okay, this CN Asia, this stock, you guys can monitor. Like I said before, CN Asia is a pump and dump stock. You guys can monitor it. It might do something for you guys to learn CN Asia, but don't go in. I mean, don't rashly go in because you guys are not familiar with these stocks. You can get your hand burned easily. So CN Asia maybe can take it as a case studies, and as an experience to monitor it. CN Asia, yeah. Something's going on right there. Okay. Okay, so mainly still the IPO stocks that I will focus first. PI Corp also, okay. This is too fake. You can see the Q is too fake right here. Later he will withdraw. Okay, so there's nothing much going on. Maybe the vaccine team solution. Okay, still the same as yesterday. Maybe solution. You guys can monitor solution. HWGB. The watch list I mainly talk is about. I mean, I will repeat again what the stocks that I'm looking at. IPO, gloves, but I hope not today. Maybe a few days later. So 5 IPO stocks, and Syscorp, and maybe Sunview, Orga Bio. Cosmos is also inside, but and another thing is the vaccine team. These three solution and HWGB and BI. Okay, so the above are mainly the things that I'm looking at. So solution. How to catch solution yesterday since it's not in your watch list earlier. Like I said, I do not only watch my watch list, I watch everything. I have the market trade monitor. What I'm the watch list I'm giving you guys is because something that I'm more they are more safer and I'm more confident in. But solution I gave it before the rise, right? I always notify you guys before the rise, before the race, before the rally. So you guys can hang on to the chat. Maybe put some attention to the chat. So usually because it's a live thing, I can't control like what's the stock going to come. That's why I'm monitoring. So you guys also need to keep up with the chat if you wanted to catch up. So I have my watch list. I will also update before the rally. Sometimes after the rally, or sometimes in the middle of the rally, because it's live, I can't control it. So it depends on the situation. I can't give you like I can't say 100% like if I give you this watch list will 100% rally. It's a homework that I did. But when live is going on, then I will know which team or which stock that syndicate is trying to go around. That's why I will update live. So the purpose of me doing this is because you can learn it live, which is most important thing to do instead of aftermarket that you guys just hear other people saying. What I'm doing is I'm doing live, so you can follow it live. So do you think Hong Seng still have some play today? I think I mentioned it yesterday. Hong Seng, yes, it still can go up like Vidat, but it's a stock that I don't like to touch, Vidat and Hong Seng, because I know the syndicate. I experienced it before. I don't like these two stock. If you have the experience and you have the knowledge to trade these two stocks, yes, you can go ahead and do so. But for me, I'm not saying that it can't go up. I'm not saying that it's not possible for it to rally more. Yes, it's possible. And in the meantime, might also has a higher possibility to do so, to rally higher, but I just don't like to touch this stock. So if you wanted to ask for my opinion, for example, like where's the resistance, where's the support, yes, I can give you. You can ask in the chat. But I won't buy this stock. Yeah, I won't trade this stock. At least for these few days, because the sentiment is not that good for me to touch these two stocks yet. So Francis, hi Zach, hope you can recommend EP price buys and EP price buy and sell on your watch list in Excel file. It would be easier to. Okay, so so just like my disclaimer, I'm not giving any buy sell cost, but as promised, starting from Thursday in my private chat, what I would do is I would update where where's my EP is if I entered this stock, but there will be a time gap right there because sometimes I'm not fast enough and the momentum is too fast. So sometimes there will be a time gap, like I mentioned in the Telegram post previously. So starting from Thursday, in my private chat, I would start to do so. I would start to give, I would start to state where did my where did I enter a stock, the price at. But there will be a time gap, so be mindful of that. And when I exit the stock, there I will also nudge you guys. So it's like a record for myself. That I've entered this stock or exited that stocks, but it's all not a buy and sell call. It's for you guys to reference. It's a reference for you guys, so you guys know, so you guys can learn faster from my live case studies. So it's not buy sell call. It's always a reference for you guys to look at, for you guys to learn faster, for you guys to catch up faster from my live case studies. So yes, I'll update in the private chat starting from tomorrow.